Welcome to Stray Dog. Choose to be free. This is where you can discover the real you. You can speak your mind because this channel is for the youth and by the youth. And for that reason, we are here in Mumbai today to find out what the women of the city think of being single. Are you single?
Yes, we are.
Yes, I am.
No.
Yeah.
I'm not. Are you single?
I am.
Married.
If given chance, I'll be single again.
Oh, he's the boyfriend. Why are you single?
I haven't found anyone yet.
There are no hot boys in Mumbai. Guys often get jealous and they don't give you your space. That's not what I would look for.
Because we've seen so much of fights, breakups, traumas.
I don't trust anyone.
As a single person, what do you think of women in relationships?
If they will marry that guy, so it's okay. But if not, they are wasting time. When they are with their boyfriends, it might get a bit cheesy and we are like, okay, I want to go from here.
He's not talking to me. Why is he not talking to me? He's so busy with his life. Oh god, that's like the weirdest thing.
Girls who are in relationship are quite reserved. They cannot go out, they cannot eat this, that, and they have to look every time really very good.
They need some guy for the shopping. Need a guy for a go to the 5-star restaurant.
So they need an ATM.
ATM, yes.
So do you guys think that love is overrated?
What is love? No one knows what love is now.
It's just a tag.
It's a nice feeling when you see someone, when you like someone.
Of course, it adds a lot of good things to your life, but doesn't make you some superhuman.
Do you think an independent woman needs a man to be happy?
No.
Not at all. In a chorus.
I can be happy by myself.
At some point, of course, it's nature's law. Cannot happen without living without a man unless we're lesbian.
Why do you need a man when a woman itself can act as a man in her life?
Every girl needs a man.
They should complete our needs.
What needs?
But obvious girl needs a shopping. Or what's more than that? Shopping is the
You all
best.
also looking for somebody for shopping only.
I don't need a man in my life to entertain myself. I can grow up, make my own business, earn money, satisfy my parents, be happy.
Before I got into a relationship, I was very content in myself. I am an independent woman and I don't think you need a man to make you happy.
Even guys are emotional, so even they tend to share their feelings with some person, and and girlfriends make them feel happy.
You can live your own life freely.
You are so pro single now. You're like independence. He's standing right here. You guys are single. You obviously have friends who are in relationships. Do they tell you like to find a boyfriend? What is the most annoying thing that they tell you?
Are you straight?
Yeah. If you don't date now, how will you know what is it like?
Don't you get lonely?
You don't know what life is.
I'm like, my life is not ending tomorrow.
What do you do when you're alone? What do you do in your free time? Just because I'm not in a relationship doesn't mean I'm alone or lonely.
People start thinking that maybe she's not good looking or maybe there's something wrong with her. But no, it's nothing like that. There is nothing wrong with single girls. We just chose the single life. It's not that nobody's asking us out or something like that. Many of my friends are dating the wrong people. So I tell them, okay, no, you need to break up.
They are in this thing, okay, I have a boyfriend, I have a lot of money, he'll get me this stuff, he'll get me that stuff, and that's show off thing.
Do you think single people are lonely?
No, they're not. They have a lot of friends to be with, many guy friends especially.
Which you don't have.
All my friends are single. We're all like on the same level.
All my best friends are all happily committed. Whenever they are busy with their friends, I have nobody to talk to. So at that time, maybe
Tell us what are the benefits of being single?
Yes, very much.
You are the most unhappy. You just want to run away from your relationship, no?
No, I'm just missing my single life.
What do you miss from being single?
Freedom.
No jig. You can flirt with any guy, you can do whatever you want to do.
When you see couples, they actually just tend to do things just with themselves. They aren't social. They'll just keep making love. They'll keep kissing. That's a fact.
people are making love in front of you.
Yeah.
You can have guy friends too who act like your boyfriends, but they aren't.
Biggest benefit I have of being single is I can do such stuff which I don't get judged for.
I will gain weight, it's not an issue. Some boyfriends don't like, they want sexy girlfriends.
Tens of boyfriends, that's also alright. You don't need to just have one.
Switching tongue.
So if you guys had to give one message to all the single ladies out there, what would you say?
Do what you want, do what you like. You're strong, you're independent, you can be happy the way you are. Start committing to someone else. You need to commit to yourself first.
All the single ladies, you're just doing right and you're just doing fine. Please don't worry about getting a boy.
If you're single, don't be afraid of a relationship. You don't have to change who you are. And if you find the right guy, then he won't want to change who you are.
I like to say to the girls that when a guy compliments you, please take it that he's complimenting you honestly. Like, not all guys flirt with you all. And secondly, guys like girls who are open-minded.
It's been a hot and sweaty day in Mumbai, but we have endured the heat and the sweat to talk to the women of this city and find out what they think of being single or being in a relationship. Well, does an independent woman need a man? What do you think? Comment below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe to Stray Dog.
What is the most common dialogues जो तेरे घर वाले हर टाइम तेरे पे यूज करते हैं?
अगर तुम लड़की होते तो डेली प्रेग्नेंट हो गया था।
Wake up, you sleep till lunch. Wake up before lunch.
ओम्ब्रे अरे वो ऐसा एकदम ऐसा करते हैं ना लड़कियाँ नो इट्स कॉल्ड बेली डांस